Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert a background photo in Microsoft Access forms. This is a great way to personalize your database interface and make your forms more visually appealing and professional looking. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Give it a moment to fully load, as Access sometimes takes a few seconds to display all your database objects and tables properly. Once everything is loaded and you can see your data, we're ready to begin the process. To insert a background photo in Microsoft Access forms, start by opening an initial database table. Once the table is open, click on the Create tab located on the top part of your screen where all your tools are located. This tab gives you access to all the object creation features in Access. From the Create tab, click on Form. This will automatically generate a new form based on your selected table. Now, once your form is added, right-click on it and access the Design View from the small option window that appears. Design View is where you have full control over how your form looks and functions. Under the Design View, we need to select the form itself. The process to select the form is simple. Just click on the upper left edge part of the form, where you'll see a small square selector. Once clicked, look at the right side panel and you'll see the property sheet of the form. This panel contains all the customizable properties for your form, including layout, data, and visual settings. From the property sheet, locate the picture property and click on the three-dot icon next to it. This opens up a File Explorer window where you can add an image to set as your sheet background photo. Now locate the image you want to use and click on it to select it. Make sure you've chosen the right image file, as this will be the background for your entire form. Then click on OK and you'll see the image will be added as a background of your form. The image should appear immediately, transforming the look of your form. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background photo to your Microsoft Access form, making it more visually engaging and customized to your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.